I know that Igbo women, most of them, they don't like to suffer, but they love money a lot. In this 21st century, if you don't have money, are you sure you can get married to an Igbo woman?
I think so. But like, I mean, they need to. They have to.
What do you mean they have to?
The name. You know,
what do you mean by the name?
Mazi and Oriak. Oriak is to raid Yak. So it's meant to. They're meant to, like.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay, Mazi and Oriak. Alright, fine. Let's go back to the olden days when they have Mazi and Oriak. In the olden days, sure, you know that Mazi can actually marry an Oriak, no matter his status.
Yeah, of course, but like they're supposed to be like an Akko to be read, an Akko to be
then there was no Akko except yam.
Who told you?
Except yam, having yam bands, goats.
Men. Okay, in the olden days, men were stratified by how many yams they had in their barns, how many
good they have.
Their strength.
Yes.
Yeah, you know.
Fine, thank you. That's friend I just mentioned.
Yes.
In the olden days, yeah. When you watch all these Nollywood epic movies, you will see where they are depicting in the olden days where girls are actually falling for a man because of his body build.
You know, in the olden days, it usually translated to because now the times are different. But like in the olden days, having strength rarely translated to the person being poor. Like if you can remember things fall apart, Okonkwo was a very powerful man, a very strong warrior. Okay. So he had lots of bands, lots of wives. I think in fact the more wives the man had was like.
It was like what?
Because he was able to accumulate more wives because he had Akko to be read.
I ask you again, do you think you can get married to an Igbo woman if you don't have enough money? Not just money, enough money. You just saw what happened at Davido and Chioma's wedding, yeah?
I did.
Yes, even though that's I don't know, but I don't know if I can get married again at this point.
No, there are women that love you for the potential that you have.
But I don't even know the potential that I have.
But una no feed a chop I love you every morning. Do you understand? Do you get? You don't feel come out in the morning and cut I love you and it's you have to. There has to be something. There has to be something.
Okay, I think I've been general with the Igbo women. Then let's cut it down to Enugu girls.
Wow, hello. I don't even think Enugu girls are as materialistic as Anambra women. Have you go chop love?
Let me ask you. Should be your mom married your daddy because of love, or did he marry your daddy because of money?
I feel like if I was even there, if I were there in the initial, I would not advise anybody to marry anybody out of love. Love is not enough, basically. If I don't have money, I can't get married. I can't put somebody. That's the thing. I can't put somebody daughter through that. That's the perspective I'm looking at it from. Do you understand?
Okay.
Exactly.
Fine. So if you don't have money, you cannot get married.
Yes, having money is very relative. If you're going to be honest, but being honest to ourselves here, it's very.
I know having money is very relative.
Like I don't need to have the videos type of money to get married, but like I need to have money to take care of.
So do you need some kind of portable money to get married?
Who's portable? Sorry,
Zazu.
Okay, that one has yellow hair.
Yes.
Do I even know? Does he have money? What's his name? Ago of Enugu. He's in this podcast. Tell Igbo women stop loving him. Abi?
Yes.
You sound very paid. Do you have any experiences you want to share?
Many experiences.
Please, by all means.